Are you happy, my dear children? Want to hear a story? Today I am telling you the story of the hare and the tortoise. There were two friends, Harry the hare and Tony the tortoise. Harry said to Tony, "You are slow." Tony said, "I am not." Then they decide to race. Tony and Harry were at the starting line. Mojo Monkey became the jungle. Mojo Monkey said, "Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!" Thus the race started. Harry ran fast. Tony was slow. Harry was tired after some time, so he took rest and slept under a tree. Tony walked on and on. Tony walked slowly and reached the finishing line. Harry woke up and ran to the finishing line, but he was late. Jojo Monkey declared Tony the winner. Okay, see you again with a new story. Bye.